a bit out here looking like a whole meal. What's poppin', queen? So you already know who it is. It's your girl, Therealkianh, and welcome back to another tutorial. I do have a video on my hair if you want to see how I achieve these, like, you know, wet wave curls or whatever. So the next video that I am going to be posting is on Thursday, so make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on videos from me. Please comment down below if you guys want to see more content from me. Give me ideas of what looks y'all want me to do, or if you guys have somebody that you want me to do like an inspired look. Y'all, I look like a freaking baddie. I look like a baddie, period. So yeah, my voice probably sounds raspy and sounds retarded. Don't mind that at all, because for some reason my voice has just been going back and forth. But anyways, like, y'all, if y'all feeling this look, hit that like button. And also, if you think a bit out here looking like a whole meal, baby, make sure you comment that fire emoji in the comment section. Like, spam the comments. Before we get into this video, I need everybody to hit that like button. Also, comment down below if you guys want to see more content from me. And also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Turn the notification bell on, and we just gonna get it popping. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. We just gonna get straight into this video. So if y'all want to see how I achieved this gorgeous look, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna be using is my NYX Control. I don't know if y'all can see that. Freak brow gel. So basically you want to let that dry for maybe like 15 minutes or something like that. Alright, so now I'm about to go in with my e.l.f. Y'all see that? About to go in with my e.l.f. gel in the shade Expresso. Alright, so now I'm about to take... God dang! Let that phone ring one more fucking time. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to turn you down because I'm trying to do this video. Okay, so this is what I'm using. My NYX concealer in the shade Golden. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics 141 brush and buff that out.
afraid I'll call you for a few minutes before I go back to work.
You miss me?
You trying to be slick because you record?
Huh?
I said, yes, I missed you. That's why I'm talking.
That's cute. Alright, so I'm going with my Real Techniques medium eyeshadow brush. And I'm going with my Profusion Berries palette in the shade Pop, which is that right there. I'm gonna switch brushes because my other brush, it wasn't packing on there the way I wanted to pack on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this brush, and this is the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. Yeah, that's a lot better, y'all. So now what I'm about to do is go ahead and put glitter, a little bit of glitter in the middle of my eye just to give it that extra like pop. Alright, so I have my NYX glitter glue. Sorry y'all probably can't see that right there. I have my NYX, and then I have this pink glitter that I got from the beauty supply store. I don't really like it as much, but it does do what it needs to do. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to apply my glue on there. Alright, so now what I'm about to do is take my oils and stuff like that. Y'all already know what oils I use. So I'm gonna try something different. I got this from Sephora. I got it for free or whatever. But I'm gonna take this. So I'm gonna take my oil. I'm gonna take my oil and I'm gonna apply that all over my face. Then I'm gonna take the thing. Can y'all see that? I'm sorry y'all if y'all can't see that. But I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this over my face. Now I can say that this is really soft. Like, it feels very lightweight. and like I said, it feels very soft, and it feels like a mousse in a sense, like some type of mousse, but it's really soft, y'all, and it feels very lightweight, and it smells good. Like, it has like a good smell to it, and I didn't use a lot either, which goes a long way, so that's good. So I'm gonna spray my setting spray on my face first before I put my foundation on. I love this foundation. Like, it gives my skin such a smooth, soft, like airbrush kind of look, like I don't have on makeup, and that's what I love about it. Y'all, this primer really like smoothed out my face, cause hands down, baby, like hands down, this primer is like, it's just brilliant. I'm definitely gonna invest in this primer because it literally, like, it made my skin look very smooth. I look funny right now, y'all. It's okay. But I just didn't put my lashes on because I didn't feel like putting my lashes on right now. Simple. But anyways, next I'm about to go ahead and put my lashes on. I'm gonna go in with my Total Temptation Maybelline Mascara. This is like my favorite one. Unless I find another one, this is my go-to. Now I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Trublend concealer in the shade Soft Honey Mail, I believe, but it looks like this. And I'm only gonna put a tiny bit under my eyes and stuff, just because it is very light, and I just want to give myself a little highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance. Y'all, I forgot what this was. My Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade, and I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade. So now I'm about to go ahead and blend all of this out and finish contouring. Now I'm gonna go in with my Airspun face powder.
Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Ah. Mwah.